Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily charge your headphone. So the first way is that you can charge your headphones using your phone. To do so you have to prepare yourself a USB Type-C to C cable and then plug these cables right into your headphones and to your phone. And now, as you can see, our headphones are now charging. The second way is just charging them using your power cable and with power brick. As you can see, I have USB Type-C cable over here, which is plugged into power brick, and plug it in, and as you can see, our headphones are now charging. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!